I'm here in Gurnee, Illinois, by recommendation of Amanda and Aaron Furman. I am eating blueberry pancakes. Boom, life on the road. Here with Bill Berry and Mike and Margaret, also known as Mork and Mindy, also known as Eminem. Like, not the rap star. Look what Margaret just got. So we're rocking towards the city right now. Bill Berry, you know.
Texting about traffic.
Notice that everybody around us is moving.
Yeah, this diesel is gumming up the whole works. What was the running theme of your trip to Chicago? John kept launching boogers out of his nose.
Shooting jollies all the way across the wood part of the way into the shredder.